Hey, welcome to episode 1 of a new series that I am calling Brendan Builds. So today in this pilot episode, what I'm going to show you is a project I just finished called Agent to Notion, which essentially allows me to add data to my Notion workspace through any natural language prompt, both to Notion pages and to my Notion databases. Basically, what I did here is I created an API that integrates into this Notion agent system. And then I can integrate into that API in many different ways. My favorite of which right now is this iOS shortcut I built called Voice to Notion. So I can click on Voice to Notion and I can say something like, create a task for me to pay my water bill with a due date of today. So this is an example of a database. You can see the task to pay water bill, the due date of today has been successfully added. So let's go back to my Notion here. And if I refresh this task database here, you can see that it actually just got added automatically to the task database. So that was a database example, but I can also add to other random pages in my Notion. For example, I can say things like, I heard a tennis tip that I should run a drill to practice my tosses for my serves so they can be more consistent. And then I let that run. And we can see that it added the tip. So then if I reopen my Notion page, I go to tennis tips, you can see that I added to run a drill to practice tosses for serve consistency. And I know for some people it might be a bit silly, like I could just open my Notion app and then in a few clicks, I would have the same data there. But because I have this API set up with an Alexa skill, my iOS shortcuts, ChatGPT, it's amazing. Like no matter where I am, I can basically just speak or type, and anything that I want to get tracked, any idea that I have, any quick thought, I can just get out of my head, not have to worry about it anymore. And the value of that for me is super, super high. That was just a quick demo, but if you want to see how this was made, come back for episode 2.